tell us about the timing of your order on the Fulton DA disqualification issue?
So I made a promise to everybody. These kind of orders take time to write. I need to make sure I say exactly what I want to, and I plan to stick to the timeline I gave everyone.
So this week?
Should be out tomorrow.
What can you tell us about the timing of your order?
He did say that it would come out sometime this week, and they want to always drop news that is inconvenient on a Friday. So it works out. If you didn't hear it, he said, yeah, it sounded like he was very reluctant to do it. This is a tough position for him. Listen to his tone of voice.
On the Fulton DA disqualification issue.
So I made a promise to everybody. These kind of orders take time to write. I need to make sure I say exactly what I want to, and I plan to stick to the timeline I gave everyone.
So this week?
Should be out tomorrow.
Should be out tomorrow. That's the judgment on whether Fani Willis will be dismissed. And he just said that today on March 15th. Well, it's Thursday, March 14th, but Friday is the announcement. You'll probably watch this on Friday because it's past midnight when I'm recording it. But Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee, that's who you sasaw there, and is now famous because of the Fani Willis, is expected to make a ruling this week on whether to disqualify Fani Willis in the President Trump Georgia election case. We saw earlier this week that they dismissed 6 of the charges against Donald Trump. So what that looks like to me is, I'm not a lawyer, but just looking at it, if you're going to dismiss 6 charges leading into the Friday, then you probably aren't going to dismiss Fani Willis. Why would you need to, if you're going to dismiss Fani Willis, you would leave it up to the new DA because they can dismiss the charges, is my understanding of it. So I don't see why. It doesn't look like to me that he's going to dismiss Fani Willis. He'll probably use some very harsh language to acknowledge what everybody knows. It's a clown show. They're clearly lying. I think perjury is hard to prove, but to dismiss, you don't need that standard. That should be automatic. They should be gone. But they're not. I don't think either one of them. I don't think Nathan Wade or Fani Willis is going to be gone. Maybe he could. He can do anything he wants. He could say, Fani Willis, you're there, but Nathan Wade's gone. He could do something like that so he can kind of play half and half. Like, I didn't kick out your black woman queen, Atlanta, but I did get the dude. I did kick the dude out. You know how they do black men, especially straight black men. You get done. He emphasized the complexity and time required to draft such an order, and it's a big deal. He's got pressures all over the place. Who knows who's calling that, bro? Noting that he had been working on a rough draft and outline even before the rumors surfaced of someone seeking his position. So he's running in this re-election. McAfee stressed that his decision would not be influenced by politics, of course it is, aiming to apply the law as he understands it. And I don't blame him for not saying it. We all know. He mentioned that the Willis disqualification hearings concluded with an indication that he would need at least 2 weeks, and that's what he said there. He wants to reflect on his personal impact on the case, and he used to work. Actually, he used to work for Fani Willis. We'll hear that out tomorrow. We'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow. Big day. We'll see how MAGA is gonna react, and everybody's gonna react. And what I want to do is I want to see somebody be proactive. I'm tired of the MAGA or the right or the populist right, the non-alarm pulling left. I'm tired of being reactive. It's time to do something first.